7:45. It's cool. It's 51 degrees. Trying to stay warm. Wanted to come out into this empty lot to talk to you a little bit about wildcrafting, which, as I understand it, is basically just finding wild edibles, weeds, and plants that just grow uncultivated in the woods or in your backyard or in empty lots like this. And it's something I really want to learn more about, and I want to share a little bit about it with you. This is, around here, a lot of people call this Dollarweed, and it looks a little bit like nasturtiums, but it's not. It's shiny, whereas nasturtiums are more matte finish. But some people call it Pennywort, I think. And it's edible. It has kind of a light, almost celery-like flavor. Normally I wouldn't recommend just eating stuff that you find, but make sure you do some research and get at least 3 sources of information saying that something is edible before you actually eat it. And wash it off, because there's lots of pesticides. You have no idea if an area has been sprayed with pesticides or toxic chemicals or anything like that. This area just rained on last night. Everything was very wet, so taking a little bit of a risk, but I figured it was worth it. So yeah, I'm hoping to learn a lot more about wildcrafting and share some stuff with you guys. I wanted to make these videos so that I could get outside more. I work at a computer for 10 hours at a time, and it can be a little taxing. It can be a little bit, I don't know, sucks the life out of you, if you know what I mean. So I wanted to come outside and be around life and beauty and bring you something positive and uplifting, and learn a little bit about nature and all the beauty that's around us, because there's just so much to explore and there's so much to learn. It's very exciting. And if you like these videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. This is the 30th video that I've made, 30th nature diary, and it's a lot of fun. Sometimes it's hard to get it right. Sometimes the videos don't turn out the way I want them to, but it's a quick thing that I like to do every day. Hopefully it brings some kind of positivity to your life. Maybe, hopefully it's uplifting and encouraging. And yeah, I hope you get to go outside and have a sublime day.